Okay, it's time to finish up our rig structure. So we're going to go into edit mode. We're going to press the C circle select button and select all the arm bones and all the leg bones. Press 3 to make sure that they're all selected. Press 1 to come back. Next we're going to center our 3D cursor by pressing Shift and S, cursor to center. We're going to press the full stop button on our keyboard to change our pivot point to the 3D cursor. Then we're going to press Shift D to duplicate, S to scale along the X axis -1. And enter. It's as simple as that. So now we have, if we go into pose mode, an operatable rig.